Cooper Machinery Services is proud to welcome ICP Industries, the nation's leader in hard chrome plating for power cylinders, into the Cooper family. Together, we bring centuries of proven expertise along with renewed investment in engineering, quality, and safety. Every repair begins with a meticulous receiving and inspection process. Using Cooper's quality intake tool, our technicians capture detailed condition reports for each cylinder and perform comprehensive dimensional analyses to determine an optimal repair path. Then, our customer relations experts review the repair plan with the customer to ensure alignment from the very start. Following the preliminary inspection, each cylinder undergoes an initial hydro test to verify structural integrity and confirm it is free of leaks. Next is Cooper's honing process, where the cylinder is treated with an abrasive slurry and thoroughly cleaned. A critical step that ensures superior chrome adhesion and delivers a longer, more reliable service life. Cooper's experienced technicians then submerge the cylinders in a precisely controlled chrome bath, following our proprietary plating process to build bores to the exact specifications. For over 75 years, hard chrome plating has been the industry standard for power cylinder repair, delivering exceptional wear resistance, improved oil retention, and dependable performance. The reason customers continue to choose chrome. After plating, each cylinder is honed and finished, then put through rigorous quality inspection and testing, including dimensional verification, surface analysis, and leak testing, to meet Cooper's thorough engineering and quality standards. Every repaired cylinder is backed by Cooper's warranty, giving customers the confidence and peace of mind they've come to expect. Because chrome processing demands responsible handling, Cooper has invested in advanced health, safety, and environmental controls, from enclosed plating and fume capture technology to wastewater management and strict hazardous materials procedures, so every repair meets applicable environmental and safety requirements. And, when uptime is critical, Cooper is the faster choice. Our unit exchange inventory is staged, tested, and ready to ship from multiple locations, often within 24 hours of your request, so you get back to work quickly. Backed by Cooper's investments in highly skilled personnel, advanced technology and equipment, and continuous engineering improvements, ICP's chrome repair services deliver superior longevity, reliability, and value. For prompt quoting and expedited service, contact us at icp@cooperservices.com.